Man shot and succumbed to his injuries in Hatfield, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was shot and succumbed to his injuries inside his car at the entrance to the community of Hatfield in Manchester on Sunday morning. He has been identified by the police and relatives as 47-year-old Neville Baker. Preliminary reports are that at around 10 a.m., a gunman attacked Baker while he was seated inside his car. The gunman opened fire, hitting him multiple times. Baker was subsequently seen slumped over the driver's seat of his Honda motor car. A police source said that Baker had several run-ins with the law and had served prison time for firearm offenses. Last year, he was among 3 men arrested and charged with larceny of agricultural produce. 2 weeks prior to his arrest, his son was also charged for perjury larceny. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.